everybody, and today we are going to be having a chase.
The dog named Rose.
We are going to be chased by Squidmaster's dog named Rose. Hello, Rose.
And
say hello.
she will try to jump at us.
Say hello. Yes. She's your friendly Rose until she sees dog treats. So,
unless she sees you running,
Nathan, I suggest that you should run because she would. Oh man! Oh man, this is so funny.
She's gonna tackle you.
That's cheating.
It's gonna go up
No,
there.
it's not.
Rose jumped up there.
Oh no! She'll do anything for that treat.
You can have sit, shake.
Give it a paw. Give it a paw.
Would you play that? Good girl.
Okay, it's my turn.
That's my turn.
Okay.
Courage.
It's Courage the Cowardly. It's Dum Dum's turn.
I'll give you a head start. How many seconds? 10,
5.
3, 2, 1, go get him!
I see it was a child going to get me.
There's no more. It's Waffle's turn. It's Waffle.
Hold her back, Squid. Okay. I'll give you a head start. 1 second head start.
Oh, keeps him cold or something. Make me turkey. She'll do anything for that treat. Justin, you just throw it on the trampoline.
2, 1, go get it!
She got it?
You two threw it out.
Alright, my turn again. I keep getting scared. Waffles! 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 Or squid? Waffles or squid?
Okay.
Waffle.
I'm gonna run around with a whole bag.
No, because then she'll eat the whole bag. That's not fair.
Yeah. You get one, then I get one, then
Waffle.
and waffle. And then we'll get it. Let's go get it.
No, that one. Right there.
Rosie, come on. No one.
He's running. Go get him. Go get him. He has the treats. Go get him. Go get him, Rosie. He has a treat. Go get him. No, him. Go get him. Go, Rose. Come on. Rose, come on. No.
Come back.
Let's go this way. Come on, Rose. Come on, Rose. Rose, come on.
Get back on the trampoline.
Come on, come on. No, Rose, I don't have a treat. The waffle. He's right there, Rose. Go get him. Get him, Rose. Get him, Rose. Go get him. Come on. Rosie, Rose, come on. Rosie. Rosie. That way. That way. Get him. That way. Go get him, Rose. Go, come on. Courage. Rose doesn't know you have a treat, Kaden. Good. Come on, Rose, good. Come on. Come on. Come on, Rosie.
I won. I survived the third attempt.
Nah, she didn't know you had a treat. No, she didn't. She wasn't chasing you. She was chasing me. She thought I had something because my hand smelled like it because I had one in my hand.
Yeah.
So go run again.
Yeah.
We'll give you a head start.
Fine. I'm gonna
Get one on the trampoline, Nathan.
Wait. No. We're not wasting any more.
We're only going to use that one. That last one.
I'll give you a head start. Hold on. Rosie.
3, 2. You can't run that way.
Kaden, no running that.
You can't run near this main street.
Rosie, he has it. Kaden has it. You need to show Rose that you have it first. I gotta catch my breath. I got courage.
Hurry up, courage.
No. So.
Dude, she can smell it.
I know.
Hey, Rosie. Say hi. Say hi.
Rosie, say hi. Rosie. Rosie, there.
Get him.
Give it to me. Wait, hold on to Rose. Hold on, give me a 3-second head start.
No, give me a treat. 3, 2,
No,
1. Go! Run! Here, hold the camera.